Okay, turn to the right, show your body, project. Okay, feel free, feel sexy. Okay, face front. Look beautiful, project. Feel sexy. Hold it. That's very good. Okay, now turn left. Face the camera. Good. Okay, change costume, redo your makeup, and we don't have the sun all day, you know.
Don't sit there!
Why?
Ayan, nagmark ka.
Oh my gosh. I guess accidents happen, you know. It's one of those professional hazards.
But I like the X. Nagkakaroon ng karakter ng pantalon mo.
Are you always this helpful? Most
Most
of
of
the
the
time?
time, yes.
Really? And I thought chivalry was dead.
Not when it involves petty things. Or should I say, when there are critics around.
That sounds very chauvinistic, but you know, I'll take it as a compliment.
Please do. You're even prettier than your models.
You're pretty handsome yourself.
By the way, I'm John. You're O.
And I'm Lindy. Not your ex, I suppose.
Nasaan yung PD natin, ha? Tawagin nyo ngayon, Jim! Bakit nyo naman pinasuot ng ganito itong babaeng to? Palitan mo nga yan! Sequence curve, sabi ko! Ano ba yan?
Bakit, Direk?
Hoy! Bakit ganitong suot ng babaeng to? Sabi ko mas casual, mas sexy, di ba? Bakit ganito?
Sorry, Direk. Akala ko sa sequence 8. Sequence 12 pala.
Ang problema sa'yo, hindi ka nagbabasa ng script. Sino ba sa inyo nagrekomenda sa babaeng ito?
Papalitan
Umalis
ko
ka
na
dito!
lang ako.
Bihisa mo na yung babaeng yan!
Halika na. Dali.
Leche!
Halika na.
Pare, pambihira. Tawa kayo ng tawa. Ayaw yung tulungan. Hi.
Hi. Salamat, ah. Sige, ito na lang. Subukan natin, tingnan natin. Yan.
Oh, mukhang napakainit ata ng ulo mo.
Ikaw ngang pagalitan kung hindi init ang ulo mo. Nagmamadali ako. Saan kaya yung gagong taxi driver nito?
Ma'am, ako ho yun.
Ikaw?
Ako yung gagong taxi driver na yun. Sakay na ho kayo.
Yeah, I'm still listening. What are you saying? Yeah, okay. Oh, could you hold on for a minute?
Ang taas ng metro mo ah. Ito yung route ko everyday. Kaya alam ko kung magkano.
Eh ma'am, galing pa ho tayo sa location. Dumaan pa tayo sa studio, tapos umiwas pa tayo sa traffic sa EDSA.
Shut up. Ito na. Yung bayad.
Eh wala ho akong susukli dito eh.
Di pa sukli mo.
Okay. Okay. Bye-bye.
So paano? Can I expect you later?
Rina, wag na lang. I'm sorry. Sorry talaga.
It's okay.
Have a nice weekend.
Sure, I will.